Alright, this is Reshad Sims, Module 6, Assignment 1. Today, as you see, we're going to use SPSS again. We have got a researcher who recruits a group of participants to complete the Acne Attitude Survey. So it's from 0 to 100 score, from 0 being a very bad attitude, to 100 being a very good attitude. And this researcher administers this test 4 times. You got a 5 minutes after they eat some chocolate, an hour later, and 4 hours later, to determine the effect it has on their attitude. All right, so we're gonna go right here, download, open up SPSS, open up our data, and just want to do something crazy. Just open up the data, all that extra stuff. Don't need all that. There we go. Just give me my data. There we go. All right. There are 4 columns. 5 actually. Here's the participants. Actually 5. You got it's attitude 0, 5 minutes. Afterwards, attitude 1, hour. Attitude 2. Then 4 hours later is attitude 3. All right. We're going to do a repeated measure ANOVA in SPSS today to determine to analyze this data. All right. So we can go up to our menu bar here, analyze, come on down to our general linear model. Sorry. Stroll over to repeated measures ANOVA. All right. We now have to name our factor. Name our factor. Our factor in this case is time. Time is our factor. Okay. How many levels of time do we have? 4. We have 4 levels of time. 4 levels of time. Then we hit add. Now we must define our measures. Okay. We gotta move our attitudes over into the variable box in order to get the proper data, proper results. All right. Now we have to go over to our options, right here. We want descriptive statistics, and we want to estimate of the effect size to be the p-value. This is a significance level 0.05, confidence interval 95%. Okay, click continue. Then we come over here to our means. Time is our time being our factor. We need to display the mean for it. Compare main effects. Confidence interval adjustment. Right here, we want the Bunferoni. All right. Continue. All right. We can stop here, click OK, and run this data as is. But one thing I would like to add, we could also do over here is plot. We could plot this as well to get it in our output box. It'll put it on a graph for us. Okay. Put it on a graph for us. And we want our time to be on the horizontal axis, so we can see the flow of the attitudes. Sorry. Move it over, add it, click continue. All right, now we're ready to run our data. All right, here comes our output box. Let me refocus my camera back in. We got our descriptive statistics that we asked for, along with the effect size. And this also produced the test of sphericity. Sorry. All right, so you can tell our means here are 76.57. Then we get a good little jump immediately 5 minutes after eating the chocolate. Then we kind of level back out. All right, here we go. Our p-values are less than 0.05. Keep on strolling. I want to show you the plot that really makes it real easy to read, and point out one other thing while we're at it, okay? We got our pairwise comparisons. Pairwise comparisons, what this does, it just gives us the difference between each time. For instance, we got time 1 here, and it gives us the difference from the means. Time 1 compared to time 2, 3, and 4. Time 2, it's the same thing. I don't understand why it breaks it down like that, but it's the same difference each way. Okay, but it's the pairwise comparisons that breaks that down for you, gives you the difference in the means. Real neat part about this is this plot. And you can see this is pre, that immediate effect 5 minutes after having the chocolate, and it drops within an hour, and then it dips a little bit more, but I would say that's almost trying to level itself out. Almost like someone's blood sugar that I know. All right. So this is using SPSS, running a repeated measure ANOVA test, and thank you for your time.